Is there a TEMU New User glitch that allows you to get an unlimited number of new users and make infinite money? Well, unless you're a hacker, there's actually no glitch for that. However, I'll show you a method that's almost as effective, and it's super unheard of. Listen closely throughout this video and you'll definitely be able to make quite a bit of money with TEMU. I call this method the chain effect method. Here's how it works. Go to a TEMU program offering cash or free gifts and click on Invite to get tokens. Copy the specific link provided. Exit out and go to any social media platform where you have friends and family. Paste the copied link in a direct message DM to a friend or family member who doesn't have TEMU and is new to the app. Instruct them to install TEMU, create a new account, and refer the same link to another person who doesn't have TEMU. Encourage the new person to continue the chain by referring the link to another new user. This creates a chain effect where each new user refers the link to another new user, resulting in an infinite chain of referrals. If you start multiple chains with different friends, the number of new users will exponentially grow with each chain. So essentially, by referring just a few people and instructing them to pass it on to new users, you can gain an infinite number of new users and earn money through referrals. It's almost like a glitch in the system, and the more chains you start, the faster your number of new users will grow exponentially. That's the TEMU New User Method in full detail. Enjoy growing your network and earning money through referrals.